What's up everyone? Today we are unboxing the clear mouse case for the iPhone 11 Pro Max. Without further ado, let's get started. We've been using mouse cases from the very beginning since their Kickstarter days. You can also use this coupon code RTCST2 to get 20% off your next order. Voila! The Clarity Clear phone case for the iPhone 11 Pro Max. Ooh, this is interesting. So there's no lid. The box was the lid. Not to mention, that was tight in there. You can see in my previous video for the iPhone 12 Pro Max clear mouse case, it was just on top and you pull it out. But for the 11, that was like a suction cup. That was pretty cool. You can see the Aeroshock technology all up in there. And there's green bubbles, and then they put green covering on top of the green bubbles for their advanced Aeroshock technology. The card that comes with it. Can you tell they're British? Whilst, look at that fancy word. The case itself. All right, and let's put it on. Fits snug, fits really strong, all up on there. It does add some weight to it. Look at that, smooth, shiny, clear backing. It definitely feels high quality compared to this $10 case that we got off Amazon. $10 plastic Amazon case. No Aeroshock technology in it at all. It's really light, whereas this one feels sturdy. It really does add some weight to the phone. I mean, we're gonna take it out. You can see it's a little bit harder to take it out. I'm struggling with this. I know I'm supposed to push through and all, but I don't want to push through the camera just to have to take off this case. So you can see the struggle, and we're gonna put it on one more time just so you can see. It goes in really well. It goes in easy. The getting out part though is a little bit hard. And just to show you how easy it is or how hard it is, here's a comparison. Here is the iPhone 12 Pro Max with the new 12 Pro Max clear case from Mous. You saw that? It goes in so quick, so easy, and the getting out process is a little bit easier, maybe because it's square edges as opposed to round edges. But I find that going in is simple, and then taking it out, you see, just like that. So on the iPhone 11 Pro Max, maybe because the edges are rounder, it does fit a little bit tighter and more snug. And then trying to push it out, I'm sure if you do it this often enough, or maybe because the plastic is new, through wear and tear, it should go in easier and then come out easier. But for now, I suppose we'll just have to resort through pushing through that hole. The cool part about mouse cases is that you might not be able to see it, but they have slightly raised edges here, 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 and here, allowing you to swipe easier side to side. You know, you still have this raised bump here that gets in the way a little bit sometimes, but that's okay. However, swiping side to side is no issue because they raised it here just at these edges that your fingers are least likely to touch, to give you, when the phone drops like this, it's already raised up off the screen. And also, in case there's any water anywhere on the table, it's raised up. Compare that to the iPhone 12 Pro Max clear screen from Mous. These edges are definitely raised up, so that's interesting. Whereas with this, it's completely smooth and clear and even, the whole thing. Here's a look at how it fits on the speakers. As you can see, it doesn't block the holes. It lets the holes all work right there. The buttons are smooth. No issues there. You can, ooh, so this is nice. They made the hole easy to move and operate. And I only say this because this is the 12 Pro Max and you can see they made the hole smaller. So it's harder to get in there. Has the on off button, lightweight, no hard push. And it does have the black edges all around to hide the Aeroshock technology. I have asked Mous why they don't make just clear Aeroshock technology instead of the green plastic inside for their Aeroshock bubbles and advanced Aeroshock technology. Why they don't make it clear instead? That way people can admire the sides of their iPhones as well. And they said that that was a very good idea and they are bringing it to the team to work on it, which is very interesting that either they didn't think of it or they've already thought of it and they were just being nice, because they've been around for almost 5 years now since their Kickstarter days. So it's interesting that no one ever thought to make this Aeroshock technology clear. And there you have it, guys. Thank you so much for watching Everyday Apple Living, your guide to living with Apple every day. Leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn the notifications on so you are notified anytime we release a new video. Leave a comment below as to what your thoughts are for the new clear case from Mous for the iPhone 11 Pro Max. Did you get it? Are you getting it? Would you get it? And if you use this coupon code, you can get it for about $20 to $25. I think I paid $25 for this one from Mous. It has dropped in price dramatically, considering the iPhone 12 case went from $50 to $85. Luckily, I bought mine for $50 right at release before the price jumped up. All right. Thank you.